Okay, this particular question is asking us to find the gradient of this more complex looking graph. So again, rehashing what I mean by gradient is when we draw a line, y is equal to mx plus c. The m is the gradient. So if it's like this, it's a positive. If it's flat, it's 0. And if it's pointing down, it's a minus. This question is auto-generated. Give it a shot. Scroll down and hit the Generate Similar Question button or hit F5. Generate the similar question. Give it a shot. Check your answers. If it's still not making sense, give it a shot. Check your answers again. All right, when we plot or graph anything in maths, the key thing we want to do is to put the key points down. So those key points include the left and the right extreme and any other interesting points. So we do have a stationary point here. So at that point, due to symmetry, so we can see that there's a -1 and a +1, that one is going to be 0. Okay, let's start with from left to right. So if we do that, we can see that the gradient is almost 0, but it has a slight positive uptick. So we can draw dot there. Then if we go to the right, we can see that the gradient is very positive. So it kind of follows that direction there. And then if we go here, the gradient is still very positive. Okay, the ball will want to roll down to the left. So we put another dot at the top. And then at this point here, the gradient becomes 0. And then at the right, our gradient is very negative. So if we put a ball up here, it wants to roll down. So now we have our gradient here. And then again, our gradient is very negative. So we put another dot here. And for this one, our gradient is ever so slightly negative. So what we can do here is we'll graph it. And we need to put arrows to indicate that they go on forever. Okay. And then we come around up through here. Now, importantly, you put those arrows, you cannot touch, danger zone, you cannot touch this line. You cannot touch this line. And you definitely cannot touch this line apart from right in the middle here. That's allowed. But at the ends, you cannot touch it.